Repair your kidneys naturally with this ingredient. There's a lot of items in your kitchen that could easily replace those kept in your medicine cabinet. Although you may already know about baking soda's incredible uses, you've probably never heard of this one before. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, can actually help your kidneys heal and function properly. Kidneys and baking soda. Your endocrine system produces hormones and enzymes to help break down food into nutrients your body can absorb. It also signals your pancreas and kidneys to produce sodium bicarbonate, which plays a role in neutralizing acidity. The pancreas is primarily responsible for the production of enzymes and bicarbonate necessary to neutralize acids produced during the normal digestion of food. This bicarbonate is also produced by the kidneys to protect themselves from acid damage. Kidneys monitor and control the acidity or acid-base (pH) balance of the blood. Excess acid, or acidosis, causes inflammation and is considered to contribute to many diseases and to the aging process. Therefore, if the blood is too acidic, the kidney makes bicarbonate to restore the blood's pH balance. If the blood is too alkaline, then the kidney excretes bicarbonate into the urine to restore the balance. Via Dr. Circus. Individuals suffering from kidney failure have to go through dialysis, a process by which the blood is filtered outside the body. This helps restore healthy blood pH levels, remove excess fluid and prevent toxic overload. What studies are saying? The U.S. National Health Institute has conducted experiments that show that kidney dialysis using bicarbonate agents have more restorative properties than standard dialysis treatments. In addition, British scientists at the Royal Hospital in London conducted a study on the relationship between bicarbonate and slowing the progression of kidney disease. How does bicarbonate repair kidneys? There are many benefits of consuming baking soda orally, because when it's combined with dialysis it enhances its effectiveness, going directly to the bloodstream. It prevents the kidneys from getting burned and also neutralizes the acids from our food, like sulfur, phosphorus and nitrogen, by allowing them to go through without doing any damage to our kidneys. British scientists found that when sodium bicarbonate is used in conjunction with an already established treatment for the kidney failure, it can slow the decline of kidney functions. After a 2-year research, only 6.5% of all the participants involved needed dialysis. This was a great success, because about 33% of them were on dialysis. How to use baking soda for repairing kidneys naturally. Not every person can consume baking soda every day. It is usually consumed mixed with water, and sometimes people with sensitive stomach cannot drink it. But it is not toxic, and if you can, consume it every day to prevent kidney disease. On day 1, put half a teaspoon of baking soda under your tongue. Stir a teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of high-quality salt into 1.5 liters of water. Drink the solution during the next days. Keep in mind that your lifestyle habits affect your kidneys. Be more careful about the food you eat. Out of 134 test patients with advanced kidney disease and metabolic acidosis, a randomly selected small group was given a tablet daily, made of a small amount of sodium bicarbonate for a year. The kidney function of these patients declined at a rate that's expected with normal aging and were less likely to require dialysis. This group had a 2/3 slower decline of health than the untreated group. Patients taking sodium bicarbonate were also less likely to develop end-stage renal disease, ESRD, requiring dialysis. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you.